To recall the 5 cardiac auscultation sites, use the mnemonic APE to man. A is aortic. Find the second intercostal space at the right sternal border. P is pulmonic. Move straight across to the second space on the left. E is Erb's point. In this third intercostal space, S1 and S2 sound equal. T is tricuspid. Move down to the fourth space on the left sternal border. M is mitral. Find the fifth intercostal space at the left midclavicular line. This mitral site is the apical pulse. Auscultate 1 full minute before giving digoxin.